Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suday. You can call me SOMI, and thanks for stopping by.
Juls, baby, Juls, baby, Juls.
Doing me right.
So today's video is going to be a detailed video of how I retwist my hair. I've done videos in the past of like my retwist routine, but nothing ever this detailed. So normally I start off just checking out my hair, looking at my scalp. I kind of like scratch off some of the flakes and the buildup in between before I go in and wash it. So that's what I'm doing here.
So don't forget I'll be there for you.
So my hair has gotten so thick and so long, and I just love how it looks like this. I can't even see my scalp, but I don't mind at all because it lets me know that my hair is so healthy. So you've seen the products that I'm using, my apple cider vinegar with water mixture. You see my shampoo, my made by SOMI Herbal Gold hair oil, and then my clips. So I started applying the apple cider vinegar and water mixture with a spray bottle because it's much easier to apply, it's way less messy, and I feel like it's just more convenient. I use it to break up the buildup on my scalp and in my strands and just kind of clarify my scalp before I go in and shampoo it.
She's swinging it back and then bringing it back in. She holding it back and then holding it back. Yeah, fuck off there.
So after I let it sit for about 30 minutes, I go in there and I rinse it out, and then I proceed with the shampooing. I use the Dr. Bronner's Tea Tree Castile soap mixed with water. I sometimes use the Made by SOMI Oats Milk and Honey Black Soap Cleanser, but today I'm using the Castile soap on my hair. And I just shampoo my hair as normal. I normally do it once or twice depending on how dirty my scalp and my hair is.
Taking your time. Oh, I love it when you call me boo.
So as you can see, my hair is nice and clean. It feels so refreshing. Like, I just love washing my hair. Right now I'm going to take some of the oil made by SOMI Herbal Gold hair oil. I'm going to just put it all over my strands and some in my scalp and in my roots. I'm not really going to oil my scalp just yet until after I'm done with the retwist, just so it's not oily and just not all over the place. I'm only going to be using water and oil for this retwist. Well, actually, I have a spray bottle of glycerin and aloe vera juice, so I will use that to wet my hair throughout the process so it doesn't like dry. And yeah,
I know I always can count on you.
so I always start with the back 2 rows because that's where my undercut was, and they're much shorter than the rest of the locks. And as you can see, I am twirling the lock around my finger. And I also do the locksmithing method, which is where you take the loose hairs and or frizzies at the root and you wrap them around the base of the lock. You then seal with a palm roll and or an extra twirl right before you secure it down with a clip. So I'm going to continue to do the process. I will have it sped up in some parts and slowed back down in other parts, just so you can get different angles and really see the technique as I go throughout the retwist. So if you haven't noticed by now, I do not use combs in my hair. I have never used a comb to retwist my locks ever. I just use my finger and or my nail to separate the hairs and kind of part my locks. this entire process took me a little bit over 2 hours, and that was, the wash and the retwist together, mainly because I really spend my time wrapping the loose hairs around each lock, and I'm really, really particular about my parts and also my technique. So I'm done with the retwist. I did them all going straight to the back this time. I'm now going to do my baby hairs, and then I will wrap up my hair with a stocking cap. So it's the next morning and my hair is completely dry. My locks look so good. Like, I only use water and oil, y'all. Like, look at how good my retwist came out. I don't think I'm ever going to use gel again, because why? It looks so good and they're so healthy and fluffy and puffy. I just love them so much.
We can all pretend if you want to, riding like a Benz if you want to. Really all depends when you come through, come through, come through, come through, come through, come through.
So right here, I take the aloe vera juice and the glycerin mixture and just spritz it in so they're like not as stiff. And now I am oiling my scalp with the Made by SOMI Herbal Gold hair oil. And this legit is my favorite part of doing my hair. Like, I literally get happy when that oil touches my scalp for the first time. I just love this oil so much.
I'm just being real. I ain't trying to give no effort. I just want to chill butt naked. I'm flexing like I invented me, and I invented the weekend. Invented the jump shot. I invented the deep end. Claiming I love dots. A lot of it depends. I'm taking like mug shots. Basically drunk now. I'm making some drug stops. You know I couldn't make it home, but I could make it there. I could make it known. Just give me a time and a place, cause you looking like a fine.
So as you can see, guys, you do not need gel to have a really tight and crisp retwist. I have 4B/4C hair, and look at how good my retwist came out, y'all. Like, look at it. Just look at it. It just looks so good. So that's pretty much it for the video, you all. Thank you for sticking around and watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you stop by my channel, subscribe, like and comment, and share with your friends. Until next time, bye.
Really all depends when you come.